It's Davo here. I'm way out on Possum Track, and I was driving along, and there was a pig in the middle of the road. You know anyone who may have lost one?
Nah, I don't.
Oi! Anyone here lost a pig?
No one?
Sorry.
You don't know anyone out that way who has pigs?
Possum Track. I don't get over that way much.
Flaming pig.
It's a little one. Nah, can't help you, mate. We don't have any at the moment.
Okay. You know anything about looking after piglets?
Not really. I just know that they taste good.
Yeah, I think I've got your lost piglet. I could bring her back tomorrow or this afternoon.
Be their hero. There's always a kinder choice.